To remove the bearings from the upper roller bearing housings, I made this little press and then use a piece of PVC on the other side, and then it's a little bit of a juggling act. I took some photos to help document this, but the flat description or the flat identification side of the bearing goes flush with one face of the bearing, and then there's this hole, if I can get it in the camera, this hole lines up with a groove, the grease groove that's inside of the housing. I've been a little leery of this table being balanced on 4 legs like that, so I'm going to try to put it down on its own pallet. I'm not sure if I have enough travel in my hoist though. Let's see. So the needle bearings for this idler pulley are completely destroyed. In fact, some of the needle bearings have flats worn on them. I'm adding to my collection of mandrels for pressing out bearings. These are the table gibs. They serve a number of purposes. One, of course, they have the bearings for the table rollers. They attach to the table itself and can be adjusted up and down a little bit to adjust the height of the roller, and then they adjust in and out to adjust the lash against the frames of the machine. These set screws here appear to adjust as like a solid downward travel limitation on the table. First thing I'm going to do is pull these bearings out. Something else I'm going to do is I'm going to upgrade these little 3/8" bolts to 1/2 inch. I'm not sure why I have 3/8" bolts here. On my little J180, they've got 1/2 inch bolts. Looks like I'll be able to use the same bridge and homemade gear puller for pulling these bearings out.